Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7 FE, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, we will want to open up our standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Then click on the three dots and choose settings. And here we're looking for import contacts, and then you want to allow and select where you want to import contacts from. Now, I'll be showing you how you can import contacts from the SIM card, so let's select SIM. This in turn shows you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and you can quickly choose all of them right here with a single click. You can also deselect ones that you may not want. From there, select Done and choose where to import contacts to. I have several options like Google and Samsung account along with the phone itself. I'll choose phone as the import location for me, but you can choose your Samsung or Google account in your case, or whatever else it shows there, assuming you want to select that. And once you choose it, it automatically imports it, and from now on you should see the imported contacts here in the list somewhere. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.